Hello YouTube and welcome knife enthusiast. Today we have a Bestech knives, simply the best. So this is going to be the first Bestech knife in my collection. I think Bestech is a OME for some other knife makers. Or OEM, I meant. I really like the look of this one when I seen it. Wanted to try out their axis lock. Really nice micarta. Looks like a blue jean micarta. Axis lock works really nice. This might be on ceramic ball bearings. D2 tool steel. Got milling on the liners. Does feel really light in the hand. See what it weighs. 3.4 grams, or ounces, 3.46 ounces, which ain't bad. Under 4 ounces. Really nice action though. Definitely comes right out with authority. Awesome blade shape. Big fan of this blade shape. I don't know if it's a reverse Tonto, kind of like a sheep's foot or reverse Tonto. As I throw the knife, don't throw your knives unless they're throwing knives. Feels really good in the hand. Full 4-finger grip for me. Some jipping up on the back. Got a B for the Bestech logo. Don't know how I always misplace a big metal foot-long measuring stick, but I do. You got a 3-inch blade, almost exactly. And almost exactly 7 inches overall. A nice sharpening choil. We'll be able to put a nice edge on this, no problem. I mean, beautifully cut out sharpening choil. I've heard a lot of good things about Bestech knives. Hopefully I can continue to pick up some more of them. Amazing action. Couple other axis lock knives I have. Got the EF, which works really freaking awesome. This also feels like it's on ceramic ball bearings. But this is a EF Bearflied in D2 spear point. And then you got the CMB made knives. And this thing has buttery smooth action. Really heavy. Awesome ergos with this one. So all three are pretty comparable in size. How about a Gonzo for you Gonzo fans? We got the Gonzo My camera with focus. What the hell? Should not be that difficult. I won't focus on that. It's a Gonzo Firebird FB 760. Man, almost wants to focus, but it just won't. Come on, focus. Focus. You can do it. There you go. Holy cow, look at that. Did you just look at that? So nice when something finally works. And you can see that one's quite a bit larger than all these. I actually think this might be a discontinued Gonzo, but they do the axis lock very well too. And of course this is on ball bearings. About a more normal size comparison. Ones that you guys might be familiar with, ones I leave out just for doing size comparisons, like the Ontario Rat Model 1. See, quite a bit larger. Got the Ontario Rat Model 2. Just about the same exact size. So it's about the size of the Ontario Rat Model 2, which also puts it in the realm of the QSP Penguin. Probably the best EDC knife. My personal opinion. Very, very close in size. Now this one's more like a sheep's foot, I think. So this be more like a reverse Tano. I don't know. This one has a straighter blade profile. This one's a little bit more curved. Man, really like that though. I actually have a QSP Penguin in the blue jean micarta. Let me grab it real quick and we can compare it. Now this is in blue jean micarta. Definitely feels like a blue jean material. This is really soft and feels like material, like blue jeans exposed. Where this one feels a lot tighter and smoother. It doesn't feel like material like this one. I'm pretty sure both of these are blue jeans. Or denim. They might call it denim micarta. And this QSP Penguin in D2 is only about $32 in the blue jean micarta. Actually should have looked it up, but I think this one's selling for like $79 on Amazon, but I think you can find it on eBay for about $62. So it's almost $20 cheaper on eBay than it is Amazon. So before purchasing any knife, I do always check both Amazon and eBay, see if I can get it a better deal. A lot of your big knife companies like White Mountain Knives and stuff, and maybe Smoky Mountain Knife Shop, they both sell on eBay. So, but if I'm ever gonna buy like a Spyderco or something like that, I always go to actual distributor of like Spyderco. So I'd go to like Blade HQ or one of the websites that actually distributes for them. So you know you're getting a real one, not getting knockoff on eBay. Unless it's like Smoky Mountain Knife Shop or something. I don't think I'd take the risk. It'd be too hard to tell. Same thing with like a zero tolerance, a ZT knife. I'd be going to a distributor that sells them instead of going to Amazon or eBay. Just so you know you're not buying a fake. I'd hate to spend $300 on a ZT knife and it be a fake. But as you can see, this knife just has awesome action. Let's see. Oh yeah, I do the one finger close, one finger open. Very comfortable. Well, I know not too many people watch this late into the video. I probably should have announced this within the first 2 minutes and 30 seconds because that's the average view duration of a video. So I don't know if that means most people just tap out at 2 minutes and 30 seconds or less. But if you're still watching and you hit that subscribe button, help me get to 100 subscribers, I'll be giving away this Tivian ST131. The micarta handle and D2. And yes, I went ahead and put a mirrored edge on this for the winner. So it has an extremely sharp mirrored edge. Be very careful if you win this thing. Absolutely love this knife. The action on it is just unreal. Just drops shut, completely falls shut. Oh man, this is just the Spidey flick on it, so freaking easy and satisfying. Awesome micarta, awesome shape, deep carry pocket clip. Really good knife for $30, can't beat it. So, definitely check out the Bestech. Really like it. To me, this is like the perfect size EDC knife. I mean, I do enjoy carrying a large knife on me, but to me these are like the perfect EDC knife. Do have a Demco AD 20.5. And see the handle's larger, but about the same size blade. Really similar blade shape too. Guess this is more of a sheep's foot, where this is more of a reverse Tonto. Of course, the handle's a little bigger on the Demco AD 20.5. Got an aftermarket deep carry pocket clip for it. Awesome fidget knife. Really satisfying sound when it locks up. Just a big fan of this shark lock. But quite impressed with my first Bestech knife. Definitely going to be checking out more of them. Well, make sure to like, subscribe, leave comments, and have an awesome day.